Welcome to the grant guide to the Domestic Renewable Heat Incentive, or RHI, the easy-to-understand, step-by-step guide to applying for RHI subsidies for your new biomass boiler. So what is the RHI all about? Well, the government wants us to switch to renewable sources of energy in order to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and meet targets for reducing the effects of climate change. The Domestic Renewable Heat Incentive was introduced in April 2014 to encourage all of us to consider using renewable fuels to heat our hot water and our houses. Domestic RHI is available to houses both on and off the gas grid, and there are 4 types of heating system that are eligible, including grant biomass boilers. You apply for the Domestic RHI on the Ofgem website, but to complete the application form for a biomass system, you will need to get a few things done first. You will need a Green Deal assessment of your home, which will be carried out by an authorised Green Deal assessor, who will visit your property, tell you what improvements you can make, and estimate how much you could save on your energy bills. You will need their report number to complete the application. The Green Deal report should include an Energy Performance Certificate, or EPC. If it doesn't, you will need to arrange to get one of these too, just as you would if you were selling your house. Finally, you will need a Microgeneration Certification Scheme, or MCS certificate number for both the biomass boiler you wish to use and your installer. Grant boilers have this certificate, and we can help you find a certified installer in your area. If you are successful in your application, you will receive quarterly payments over 7 years as long as you stick to the scheme rules during this time. The payments are aimed at bridging the gap between the costs of installing and operating a renewable system over a fossil fuel system. The payments are calculated on the amount of energy required over a 20-year period, but paid over a 7-year period, so the scheme is very attractive. Payments are made at a set rate per kilowatt hour of renewable heat generated. The tariff rates are going to be reviewed quarterly, but once you join the scheme, you will remain on the same tariff rate for the 7-year payment lifetime. Most people will be paid based on their property's estimated annual heat use. For biomass systems, this is calculated from the Energy Performance Certificate, or EPC. There you are, a quick summary of Domestic RHI. It's a great scheme and makes grant biomass boilers an attractive alternative to conventional boilers. You can find out much more about the scheme online, or speak to one of our advisors on 01380 736 920.